Alright, fellas. Don't begin too excited out here. Don't worry. Scoot that over a bit. We're gonna be out here smashing geodes. That's what we're doing. Trying to do it perfectly. They say if you hit it, if you keep hitting it like that, eventually it'll break. But I kind of just want to smash it really hard. Okay, I'm starting to get mad. I'm about to just fucking smash it. Damn. Well, that did it. That sealed the deal for that one. So this one isn't as cool as I thought it would be. Can you see that? That's what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of plain. Same thing with this one. Let's see how this one fares. Oh, this one's cool. Well, I busted a little hole in it. You see it? But that's not enough. Damn. I guess that's as much as I'm gonna bust it. Oh my gosh, how are you supposed to freaking... These things are so tiny. Oh, that was simple. Here we go. That one. That's what we were looking for. That's what we were looking for. There you go. Perfect. Nice crystallized. So I'm guessing the small ones, these small ones are way better. You barely even have to hit them and they crack open. Spoke too soon. I mean, what the heck? You know what? It's about the same as the one before. Here comes another. Ooh, this one looks weird. This almost looks like a pork rind. Broke. This one's purely white on the inside. Straight up white. Kind of cool. Oh my gosh. Small little crystals. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. That one's cool. There's another piece to it. Oh, that was awesome. This one's weird looking, but it's cool. Stick your finger in that. How cool is that? Holy cow. Jeez. This one's about to be nice. I already can tell. Perfect size. It's literally like a baseball. Oh, wow. Oh, this one's sweet. This is the best one so far. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Look at the crystals in there forming. That's so cool. But then two more awesome pieces. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks really shiny. That's really cool. Oh, wow. These ones look like little sphincters. If you don't know what that is, don't Google it. Well, don't want that. What the f... Oh, the crystal came out. Can you see that purple crystal? Can you see that purple crystal? It came out of here. It came out. Stick this back in here and just put it right there. Two more of these. Well, that was perfect. Literally broke. Ooh, did you see those sparks? I smell it. Holy cow. Oh, it's hot. Oh, this definitely smells like fire for sure. That was really cool. Jeez. Same thing as the ones before. What? This is literally just like nothing. This was crappy. This was crappy. This was crappy. What the fuck did you send me? Straight up trash. It's trying to crack. Right there, I see it. Damn. About time. That one's cool. You can see the little crystals in there, shining brightly. See, this one has some more crystals in there, but I want to break this one open again. Should I take the risk? That's right, we are. Well, you can see the crystal a little bit better now in there. Alright, just to go through them all again, we have these ones, which were really cool. Those are probably my favorite ones. As you can see, they all got chopped up and came in these little tiny, like little crystal. I don't even know what you would call it. I'm not even gonna try it. Got a whole dollar menu of sphincters over here. Alright, that was the collection. So stay tuned for another secret with Victoria.